Joining me now with his playbook and top ideas for the landscape is JPMorgan's Matthew Boss. It's nice to see you.
You too, Scott.
I'm going to take issue with something I'm reading here from the notes that you gave our producers. Retail fundamentals remain broadly on track, higher income consumer as healthy and lower income consumer remaining resilient. I think some of the commentary that we've been hearing from the street would beg to differ.
Look, if you're looking at the screens and all the red, you certainly would think that. But the reality, looking at the data, our contacts, and we had 30 companies in New York just last week for our retail conference. It's not the case. You have not seen retail bend as of yet. You're seeing a higher income consumer, nearly $50 trillion of wealth creation since 2019. They're still spending, and they're still spending at a pretty robust level. The low-income consumer, with multiple years of wage increases, is resilient. Now, you're seeing shifting within there. You're seeing trading down that's happening with the dollar stores and the off-pricers. You're seeing best-in-class brands take share from some of the tertiary brands. And now the next leg is obviously going to be navigating the playbook from a sourcing perspective. But I do think that retail broadly, and again, from a winners versus losers perspective, is going in on level footing.
I mean, there's the wealth effect, though, like you talk about on the way up, but obviously there's a dramatic wealth effect on the way down. So if we've gotten maybe some of it back, obviously, but if you take $10 trillion of market cap, of valuation out of this stock market, there's a broad impact that's probably remains to be seen, no?
Well, the wealth effect went from 50 trillion as of 2 weeks ago to 45 trillion. That's wealth creation since 2019. Checking accounts are 4 times higher today also than where they were in 2019. So we have a nice bolster in terms of the background in where we stand. Now, again, to me, the consumer backdrop that we're calling out calls for a winners and losers setup on retail. Retail, relative to the consumer, is not one for one. So while we have had a strong retail backdrop, you've had bankruptcies in this space. We have 5,000 boxes that are up for grabs given the consolidation and the tech sector with Amazon relative to the brick and mortar sector. That's not going away. And so the key now is to pick the opportunities. And that's where I was saying for value, it's off-price retail and the discount space. And then for opportunity, I think it's best-in-class brands. And I think that is what you saw during COVID. That is what you saw with the freight and some of the distribution challenges that we had back in 2018. And I think the playbook could look very similar, where best-in-class brands take shelf space and market share multi-year.